Welcome to the cooking channel. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make the perfect frittata. Step 1. Start by taking 3 eggs and cracking them into a bowl. Now I like to use a cup there to crack the egg onto, and then I'm able to discard of the eggshells in the cup. Start whisking by using a kitchen fork. Beat thoroughly. Next we need to season using white pepper and salt. Continue mixing thoroughly and whisk again. Chop up some fresh Italian parsley, or you can just use normal parsley if you wish. So you just scrunch that up, keeping your fingers clear, using a cook's knife, just gently chop. So the amount that you wish to add is entirely up to you. I like to use a fair amount, but just a sprinkle, small sprinkle is sufficient just to add a bit of colour and flavour. So add that to the egg mix. So I've pre-grated some Parmesan cheese there as well. So just add the egg mix to the parsley and then add the pre-grated Parmesan. Just a couple of handfuls there. So the next step I've got there is slicing up some mushroom. So just cut that in half and then slice. Now I've preheated a small saucepan or frying pan. Add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Add the mushrooms and saute. Now allow that to cool down before adding to the mix. So once it's cooled down, just add it to your egg mix. Now I'll heat up another pan or the same pan if you clean it. Ready for your frittata egg mix. Add your frittata egg mix. And just allow that to cook on a moderate to low heat. That will take a few minutes to cook. Don't want to have that on too high a heat, otherwise it'll burn from the bottom. You can add a saucepan lid, and that'll help speed up the process. For this example, I've left the lid off there. So you'll see when it's ready, it'll start to coagulate or cook around the edges. That's an indication that it's cooked, or nearly ready to turn over, I should say. Just keep cooking that a little bit longer. Now if you're new to the channel, I would like to put a video out each week. And I'd appreciate if you would subscribe or hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you do subscribe, so you get the updates. But if you do like the channel, please subscribe or hit the like button. I'd much appreciate it to keep the channel going. And also, if you in the comments section, if you'd like any dishes that I can make up for you, I'm more than happy to add that to our collection in the cooking channel. As you can see, the edges there are starting to look more and more cooked and coagulated. now. We just cut in the middle, taking care. So what we want to do is just cut in half, and then we're able to flip one half at a time. If it's undercooked still there, I'd suggest just trying to just let it cook a little bit longer. But this one here, I'm going to give this one a go. I'm going to flip it over. Take care flipping that over. It is a little bit tricky. You may not get it the first time around. And that's how it's done. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown. Don't want to have it on too high heat there, otherwise the bottom will burn. So you just want it on a moderate to low heat. Just allow that to cook for a little bit longer. And as you can see, it's a nice light fluffy frittata. I like my frittata on some toast or sourdough with some butter or pesto. Perfect breakfast. You could even have it for dinner. Let us know what you think by commenting in the field below. So here we are, we're serving it on some toast today. You can garnish with a little bit of Italian parsley or just normal parsley if you wish. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Please let me know how you go. See you next time. Bye.